Welcome to Deep Enterprise. Today we are going to show you the trial of underbody lines and how it gets connected and how it performs on the high pressure washer. So this is a basic high pressure washer. See, the pressure can be regulated. This is on a switch. It shows even is the nameplate of Deep Enterprise. Now this we have connected with a high pressure washer. For demonstration, we are just showing you the underbody of a two-wheeler scooter. See how dirty it is. Now we'll put it on stand. This is our high pressure washer underbody nozzle. See. Generally using this nozzle, it's difficult to see how it has done the cleaning job under beneath a four-wheeler vehicle or a car. That is the very reason that we are showing you demonstration on a scooter. Now let us see how it has done its job. Yes, we can very well see the difference. That's the actual work of the underbody nozzle.